friends, welcome to my channel. This is your old friend Nancy. We can see a car behind me. This is the Volkswagen Amarok from 2013. Can you see what's the difference for this car? This is the original headlamp for this car. The light for this headlamp is not enough bright and not enough wide. So we change it. This lamp has LED lens, so it's more clear, more wide, more far, and more safe. Let's see the effect. We have more Volkswagen and Audi items. If you have interest, follow me.